Next topic, secondary classification. Already seen primary classification. Primary classification of surveying is divided into two types. That is, one is a plain surveying, second one is a geodetic surveying. Second one is a secondary classification of surveying. First one, secondary classification of surveying. First one is a based on the instrument. Second one based on the methods. Third one is a based on the objects. Fourth one is a based on the nature of the field. These are the secondary classification of surveying. First one, based on the instrument. Number one, chain surveying. Chain surveying is a simplest type of surveying in which only linear measurements are made with the chain or tape. The angular measurements are taken. This type of surveying is called the chain surveying. Simple type of surveying, only linear measurements are taken with the help of a chain or tape. Uh, Angular measurements are not taken. Second one is a compass surveying. Compass surveying is a the angles measured with the help of a magnetic compass and a prismatic compass and surveying compass. The is a compass surveying. Third one is a plane table surveying. Plane table surveying is a graphical method of surveying in which the field work and plotting both are done simultaneously. Is called plane table surveying. Secondary classification. Next topic, theodolite surveying. Theodolite surveying. The theodolite survey is a horizontal angles are measured with the help of theodolite are more precise than compass, and the linear measurements are taken with a chain or tape. This type of surveying is called theodolite surveying. Tachometric surveying. Tachometric is a special type of theodolite known as a tachometer is used to determine the horizontal and vertical distance directly. Tachometric surveying is a special type of theodolite known as a tachometer is used as a determine horizontal and vertical distance indirectly. Next one, photographic survey. The photogrammetric is a science of taking the measurements with the help of photographs that taken by aerial camera with a aircraft. The photogrammetric surveying is a science taking the measurements with the help of photographs taken by the aerial camera from the aircraft. Next one is a EDM, that is electronic distance measurements. In this type of surveying, all measurements length, angle and coordinates are made with the help of EDM instrument, that is total session. In this type of surveying to measure length, angle and coordinates, they called EDM, that is electronic distance measurements. Second one, based on the method triangulation survey. The triangulation survey is a basic method of surveying when the area to be surveyed is large and triangulation is adopted. The area is to divided into network of triangles. Triangulation is a basic method of survey. Surveyed in the survey area is large, the triangulation method is adopted. Entire area is divided into network of triangles. Next one is a traverse survey. Traverse is a circuit of survey. It may be open method or closed method. When the linear measurements are done with a chain or tape and the direction or horizontal angles are made with a compass or theodolite respectively, the survey is called traversing. Next one, based on the object. Based on the objects, first one is a geological survey. In this, both surface and subsurface surveying are conducted to locate the different minerals and rocks and the addition to geological feature of the terrain such as fold and faults are located. Second one is a mine surveying. Mine surveying is include the both surface and underground survey. It conducted for exploration of mineral deposits and guiding the tunneling and other operations associated with mining. Archaeological survey. Archaeological survey is conducted to locate the release of the civilization, kingdom, forts and temples, etc. Next one is a military survey. Is a very important and critical application in the military. The aerial survey are conducted for This purpose, this conducted locating the static position for purpose of army operation based on the object is divided into four categories. First one, geological survey, mine survey, and archaeological and military survey. Next classification, based on the nature of the field. Based on the nature of the field, first one is a land survey. Land survey is done the land to prepare a plan and map for given area, that is topographical, city and cadastral survey. Some of the example of the land surveying. Land surveying is land prepare the plan and map for of a given area. Second one is a marine survey. Marine surveying is a this survey is conducted on near the body of the water, such as lake, river, cadastral area. This survey is consist of locating shoreline of the water bodies. Last one, astronomical survey. Astronomical survey is conducted for determining the latitude and longitude, azimuth, local time, etc., the various places on the earth by observing the heavenly bodies. These are the classification of surveying. Next topic, the principles of surveying. Fundamental principles of surveying in surveying. Principle 1 is a whole to the part, that is always work from the whole to the part. Always work from the whole to part is called principle 1. Second one is a principle 2. Second one, locating point by at least two measurements. Locate a new station by at least two measurement, whether linear or angular, from the fixed reference. Is a fixed reference point is called as a principle 2. Locating new station point at least two measurement, whether linear or angular, from the fixed reference point. Principles of surveying. In the surveying larger area, a system control point identify and they are located with a high precision. The secondary control points are locating using less precision methods. The detail of locating area are measured with the plotting respect to the secondary control points. This called working from whole to the part. This principle is helping localizing the errors. The in this surveying, the carried out the adding localized area error accumulated by unacceptable larger area is covered. Second one, the always working from whole to the part. According to the first principle, whole survey is area is first enclosed by the main station, that is control station and main survey lines. The area is divided into number of divisions by forming well conditioned triangles. This type of survey forming a well condition of triangles. The main surveying are measuring the accurate, very precious instrument. The remaining sets of triangles are measured. The purpose of the method working is to control accumulation of errors during the measurements. If any error, then it to not affected the whole work. It is reverse process followed by the minor error. Measurement will be magnified. The control points are selected in the area. The distance between is measured accurately, and the line joining the two points is plotting to the scale on drawing sheet. Now the new station can be plotted by making suitable measurement with the given control point. The new stations are locating by linear or angular measurements by the both. Okay. Okay, thank you.